Look at the snow! Oh my goodness! I can't imagine people walk in snowstorm and don't scared of it. Can't really see because of the snow, but this is my favorite store. Love plus. I like also cannabis stores, but my husband said it's not healthy. My husband didn't want to take me to the store. He said he's scared to drive in such a weather. You know what? Women have to be the boss in the house. This is why we cannot see nothing from the window. We're driving to buy some presents for Christmas for my boys. Get people walking in the snow. I will upload this video, and next video is how I buy the presents. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, dislike, doesn't matter, I will be happy anytime. And one more thing, let's